Hello. Today we're going to copy everything from one course and add it to another using the import-export copy feature on D2L. So the first thing you do is you go to the course that you want to work on. This is the one that's going to contain all of the files that you'd like to copy. Then you click this gear at the top right corner, and you click Import Export Copy Components. Then you scroll down and you pick the option that most makes sense for what you'd like to do. In this case, we're going to export as a bright space package. Yes, we want to include course files in the export package. And then we click Start. Now, this gives us a checklist of everything that's in our course already. You can individually select items, or you can just click to export all items. You can also select all components, or perhaps you only want certain things. Perhaps you don't want the announcements. It's easy to uncheck. Perhaps you want everything, but for the content, you want to select individual items. Click Continue. This is where you get to select more specifically the items that you said you wanted to pick and choose. And clicking the little tiny plus sign lets you have even further control. Perhaps this is the only assignment from Lab Session 1 that you want, but you know that you want everything from sessions 10, 11, and 12. Click Continue. Then confirm that this is the list that you want and click Continue. If it's not what you want, you can always click Modify and change your mind. Click Finish. Click here to download the export zip packet. Now that that's finished downloading, you just click Done.
We're going to go to D2L and navigate to the course that we want to put all of those files into. In this case, I'm going to use my sandbox because I don't want to add those files to some other place. So I'm on the test server and it will look a bit different, but the buttons will all work the same. You click the gear once you're in the course you want, and you click Import Export Copy Components. And this time, we're going to import components, and we want to choose from a course package. Click Start. Select the file, the zip file that you just downloaded. Wait a moment while it uploads. Then you click Import All Components. Wait a moment while it imports everything. And then once it says it was successful, you can go to View Content. And now when I look in my sandbox, there are all these lab session things that I copied from the other course. Now, the dates will need to be changed if you used due dates, start dates, end dates. And there might be some information that you want to change over to update it from one semester to the other. References to words like spring, fall, etc. And there was some information on how to do that in the D2L training. I believe it was level 3 that explained how to do that. It might have been level 2. But if you need more information on how to do that automatically, I would go to your D2L training because it was very helpful on how to automatically update the dates and times before you export and then copy. And that's it. Now everything's been copied.
Some dates you'll need to change if you were using start dates, end dates, due dates, and there might be some content you need to update before you go through this process or after, but everything should be fully available to edit no matter what order you do the steps in.